Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change a private YouTube video to public. The process is almost the same whether you're using a computer or a mobile device, so let's jump right in. Start by opening the YouTube website in your browser and sign in to the Google account connected to your YouTube channel. Once you're logged in, click your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. If you're using a smartphone or tablet, simply open the YouTube Studio app instead. If you don't have it installed yet, download it from your device's app store and sign in. Inside YouTube Studio, click Content from the menu on the left. This page displays all the videos you've uploaded. Find the video that's currently set to private and click the Edit or Details option for that video. On the Video Details page, scroll down until you see the Visibility setting. Click the Visibility option, and if it's currently set to private, change it to public. After selecting public, click Done to confirm the change. Finally, press the Save button in the top right corner to apply your updates. That's it. Your video is now public and can be viewed by anyone on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe for more YouTube tips and tutorials.